Una no rich rats. Una small pass rats. That's why all the nonsense we una oga. You don't go to delete. Liar, okay, but just say. You guys can never do anything and stand on it. Now the always fire. I don't say I go deep. And I was this one with small. I go deal with you now.
Well, here you go. Here you go. Is that an Arsenal flag over there?
Verydarkman finally replies to Seun Kuti's massive mansion in Lagos. Otti shows off the smart school he completed in Abia State. Okay guys, on the news today, Verydarkman has finally replied to Seun Kuti, who has been showing off his massive mansion in Lagos. Okay guys, I shared the video about Seun Kuti making mockery of Verydarkman. Seun Kuti dey tell Verydarkman say he dey jealous of am because of saying be fella pikin. Him song dey blow everywhere, he dey get money. Verydarkman is just jealous of him. And all of a sudden, the mansion who has been almost completed has finally been completed as he shows off this massive mansion. I'm not gonna lie, yo, the mansion good, the mansion sweet, I cannot lie. The mansion is very big and it's a very solid mansion. Verydarkman has replied to Seun Kuti in a comment he dropped in the post, in which today Mazi shared the post in his official Instagram page, and Verydarkman came and dropped a comment. He said no even put in picture. Verydarkman dey pet. Verydarkman don't even said. Baba say almost all the whole picture will full for the house, because if you see the house, a lot of art, a lot of picture full the house, and most of them na Seun Kuti face full there. Picture waiting for the house reach more than 50 pictures, and only Seun Kuti face waiting for the pictures. In face where they reach almost 17. Where they there will be in face will full for there. Some of his father, his mom, and the rest of them. Verydarkman say, this kind of house with pictures full everywhere. How come my own picture no dey there now? Since you dey obsessed with me, so watch the video and see how the house looks like.
Looking light skinned. What's going on? You're fresh. You're getting fresh. Well, here you go. Here you go. Is that an Arsenal flag over there? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Hey, the biggest bird. Oh my goodness. The queen herself.
And turns toward one direction.
They calling you. Good afternoon. Look at the house. Oh, look at this art. Oh, I love that it's so filled with art. Tó bá fẹ́ lọ wẹ̀, omi ló máa lò.
The giraffe spreads its legs.
Chef in the building. Purr. Sir? That's the President General, Commander, Landlord.
You guys can never do anything and stand on it. Now the always fire. I don't say I go deep. And I go say this one with small. I go deal with you now. I don't dey prepare now. Now go soon hear the news. Big boom. My own ball. Big boom. Now we begin beg, they begin cry. Now begin beg, they begin cry. If they born on our way, I never see now. Why would I never try? I'm gonna gather on myself. Because okay, now you won't even bring me to the last thing I want to talk for you. Wait, annoy me because even VDM said this shit. When I say he come as I come fight for me, because I don't see where VDM fight for me. VDM trying to go there. See, the ground one I go land. This one I will come back. Not go stand up again. Don't say I go stand up, come go to tweet the next day. Say nobody go stand up. I'm gonna try am. Because this is getting fucking ridiculous. You fucking rats. Why am I calling them rats? I've said sorry, rats. You fucking, I don't know, call you you cowards, bro. Just say VDM, they dig borehole. What if fella don't do? Fella fed 1,000 people every day. Not be fit, say they go share food or like, you know, yeah, try to. He housed them. 1,000 people housed. Food. Then go still give everybody weekly salary. That time where I small, dollar na 10 naira to $1. For that they pay everybody 300, 350 per week. Divided by 10, what's that? $35 per week. a month. What's that? $140 a month. Just say you dey Kalakuta. Wetin be $140 a month? Today's rate in naira. Una company no fit pay una that kind of money. Now if like they pay people wey no dey do it, just dey for your house where they take care of every day. Then go still give us 15 naira daily allowance. Everybody round. And fella no dey go beg anybody for money to donate to am to do am. Now in sweat, money wey fella work for, where he sweat by himself, like go carry outside, they do all these things. But you in your more rodin what buy you shit kokori la here. Na go una think say na fit dey do all this thing. This online doesn't, it holds no water. In the real world, we live in the real world. This is the opposite world. It's virtual. It's for deceiving, for distraction. As soon as talk reach after they give fella Grammy, they still put time for Rock of Fame, Hall of Fame, Rock Hall of Fame. They still put time. Nothing will not on top. When we change jam, all the people that say they're big pass fella, can they enter anywhere? What is their professional skill that their peers can say? Hey, this is what you are now the greatest at. We want to know that. Want to let the whole world know you are greatest.
Executive Governor of Abia State, Governor Otti, just commissioned one of his smart schools in Abia State. Can you imagine? Look at this place. This thing no be public school. Oh. This thing no be private school, sorry. No be private school be this. Now poor man school that as they take column. Now public school be this for poor man children. That means say they still hope for poor man for this country. Oh. They hope still they still hope for some of the poor men in this country and their children. Children that does not know anybody, so they still hope for them. Look at this smart school Otti just finished building in Abia State. The school is looking marvelous. Look at the computer room, library, and the rest of it. This thing just look like it look na foreign settings be this. So hope still there for poor man picking for this country. He just commissioned this school in Abia State, and since then he has been trending. Like the videos has been spreading around all over the country, and a lot of people have been praising him for it. What a fantastic job this man is doing in Abia State. Nobody can take that one away from him. Look at how the whole thing went down.
Did you know that right here in Abia State, some public schools are being transformed into technology-powered learning hubs? Take Abia Central School, Obakala, for example.
The name of our school is our smart school, Obakala.
It's part of the Abia State Government Smart Schools project, an ambitious initiative championed by Governor Otti to modernize education across the state. These schools are not your regular classrooms. They are powered by solar energy, connected to 24-hour Starlink internet, and equipped with interactive smart boards instead of traditional whiteboards. Students receive digital tablets and are introduced to subjects like coding, robotics, and artificial intelligence from an early age. Teachers are also being trained in modern digital teaching methods, ensuring they can effectively prepare students for a technology-driven world. To protect these facilities, the schools are equipped with CCTV surveillance, perimeter fencing, and enhanced security systems. In total, 20 smart schools are being built across Abia's 17 local government areas, with access remaining completely free for all pupils regardless of their background. For many, Abia Central School Obakala is more than just a school. It is a glimpse into what the future of education in Abia State could look like.